Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it on Friday and a few days late last week, but definitely want to get things updated here as reality is kind of sunk in a little bit, meaning the price has started to pull back, and there is some perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you're hoping to sell within 10 minutes, then for you the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, the overall perspective, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And in fact, again, from the big picture perspective of the chart, the price acted exactly the way you would want to see it act. What do I mean by that? Well, within the world of charts, there is the 50-period simple moving average, which is represented by that purple line there. And that's a very famous level, even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts. I'm sure you've heard of that moving average. And when the price is above it and it gets tested, you want to see it act as support. And that's exactly what happened here. So the price pulled all the way back there. And then as you can see right here, beautiful job of testing and maintaining that support. So going forward, definitely that purple line is going to be the key level of support that you want to see hold. If it doesn't hold, then the next key level of support to keep an eye on going to be down there at the 52-cent mark. Now, what about levels of resistance? So if this price is going to get back up to test, the 68 cents and above, where are some of these battlegrounds at? The first one is going to be the big brother of that purple line, the 50 period, and that is right here, that pink line, which is the 200 period simple moving average. Again, this is just basic charts. When the price is below it, it tends to act as resistance. So key battleground, and good news is it's not like the price has to travel a great distance in order to do battle with that pink line, but that's going to be the initial level to fight through. If the bulls can fight through that, the next key level of resistance up there at that point, and that sits at 59 cents. So 200 period simple moving average and then 59 cents, two initial areas of resistance. If the price can get some closes back above there, then I'll update where some of these next potential areas of resistance are at. But all in all, like I said, not the most exciting day in terms of pulling back from the big picture perspective. Bull still that opportunity to build a higher base, and that's what it's all about in order to build those long-term uptrends. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.